Hi guys, welcome to the Fat Table. Today we'll be making cute little colorful cookies that are dipped in chocolate. We'll start by taking 1 cup of softened butter. This is room temperature butter. We'll add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to this. Using a hand mixer, we'll cream the butter and sugar together till it's light and fluffy. To this we'll add 1 egg yolk, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Now beat this again with a hand mixer until well combined. It's very important to have the butter at room temperature and not really cold. Now to this we are going to add 2 cups plus 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Again mix this well with the hand mixer. Our cookie dough is essentially now ready. All we have to do is just pipe it out and bake the cookies. We'll start by filling a piping bag with this cookie dough. The reason why we use softened butter at room temperature is so that this cookie dough can be piped easily. On a baking sheet, we'll be piping out these cookies. I'm using a 1mm tip which will create the rosettes that I want. Make sure the cookies are piped at least half an inch apart. Now in a preheated oven, we'll bake these cookies for about 10 to 11 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now the remaining batter, we'll be dividing it into 2 parts. We'll be coloring one batter green and the other red. I'm using powdered color here. Add a little pinch and mix the mixture well until you get the desired color. We'll do the same with this batter as well. We'll put the batter in a piping bag and pipe out some rosettes of green color. While our previous batch is baked, we'll get ready with green colored rosette cookies as well and bake them for about again 10 to 11 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we'll color remaining part of the batter red and make red cookies out of this. Compared to green, you'll need a little bit more amount of red powdered color to get the desired shade. So add some more amount of powdered color till you get the desired shade. Now let's pipe some more rosettes out of this red batter. We'll bake these as well for about 10 to 11 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I've taken half a cup of melted chocolate here. Just take any kind of chocolate that you like and microwave it for about 10 seconds to melt it. Now take a cookie and dip it halfway into the chocolate. Place it on a baking sheet or on a plate and then sprinkle any confetti that you have. I have some white pearls here that I'm using. Make sure your cookies are well cooled before you do this step. I'll be doing the same with some of my green and red cookies as well. Red cookies are still in the oven, so we're working with the green ones right now. All my cookies are well cooled now. Let's start decorating all of them. You may also use chopped dry fruits to sprinkle on these cookies like almonds, walnuts or cashew nuts. I want to pipe out some chocolate on rest of the cookies. So I'm going to fill the melted chocolate into a piping bag. You may decorate the cookies the way you wish, or you can just have them as is. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below.